Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how exactly you are going to deposit time into your Bybit. All right, time into your Bybit through the Ton network. All right, so what you are going to do exactly is here. This is the information we receive from them. They have sent the step by step guidance on how to do it, step by step guide on how to buy or how to deposit time into your Bybit account. All right, so I'm going to read this information first, and then I'm going to go and open the Timefarm application, and I will show you exactly what they mean by this. All right, so as you can see, this is what they say. All right, before we begin, if you know you are new to my channel, please subscribe. All right, subscribe, because we're gonna keep doing this. All right, I'm gonna keep updating with informations like this. All right, so as you can see here, it is, they said how to deposit time via Ton on Bybit. Want to move your time to Bybit through the Ton network? Is a question. Here is how. They say open Bybit and go to assets deposits. Go to assets deposit. Search for time. Choose the Ton network. You will see two options. Pick the Ton one. Copy the address and use it in your wallet to send time. Copy the address and use it in your wallet to send time. Once the transaction confirms, your time will appear on Bybit. When the transaction confirms, your time will appear what? On Bybit. All right, so we are going to do exactly what they ask us to. All right, so now I'm going to open my Bybit. All right, here is my Bybit. So as you can see, this is my Bybit. This is the home page, and when you look at assets, we have to locate asset, right? They said what? Open Bybit and go to assets. From asset to deposit, then we press asset down here. This is assets. Then we look for deposit. Here is deposit, and when we search for deposit via what? Crypto. All right, down here, deposit crypto. So we are going to deposit crypto. Then we have to search. All right, they say we have to search for what? For time. Right, then we're gonna have to search for what? Time. All right, this is time. Then we are going to have to press on time. So when we press on time, they're going to bring two different options. So we have to choose the Ton one, like they said. All right, so we're going to press on Ton. This is Ton exactly. So this is your address, that if you want to send time, you come here and you copy this address. All right, this is your address. Then you press copy and copy your address. All right, so let's go back. So as you can see, then choose the Ton network. You will see two options. Pick the Ton one, copy it as a use it in your wallet to send time. Once transaction confirm, your time will appear on Bybit. So you use this on your Ton wallet to, when you send, you can use this on your Ton wallet to send time. All right, you can use this on your wallet to send time into your Bybit, and you're gonna see your time there exactly. All right, so now what I'm going to do exactly, I'm going to try something here. I'm going to copy this address, then I'm going to go back to my Timefarm wallet. This is my Timefarm wallet. This is Timefarm. When I open Timefarm from the inside, this is my home page here. So when you look down here, you see wallet at the end here, then you press on wallet. When you press on wallet, this is my Timefarm wallet, and then you see buy time, you see withdrawal here. Then we press withdraw. When I press withdraw, they say your seconds will be available for withdrawal soon. All right, will be available for withdrawal soon. Please wait a bit longer. So you're gonna have to wait a bit longer. This is exactly where you are going to do your transaction, where you will be given a chance to send your time, maybe to the Bybit or wherever you want to send it to. All right, so it is not available yet, and I don't know if you send Ton to this address is gonna get you the time. All right, I don't exactly know about that, but if you think you may try it, you can go ahead and try it. So I think maybe probably I will try that so that you guys can see. All right, I will try to send ton directly to this address to see if exactly is going to buy me time on my Bybit. All right, so you're gonna have to stay with me, stay along. If you know you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. All right, subscribe. I'm gonna keep updating you about this time farm. All right, so thank you for watching. Peace.